the chat box. Even Prachi and Sneha, you write it again.
Sir, please add Harshal.
ठीक है सब आ गए 30. So today it will be a small session. ठीक है, okay, only one part was remaining. And last lecture we just did with the four presentations of Yahoo, Kodak, Xerox, and BlackBerry. Okay, a nice presentation, and we got to learn many things from that. That creativity is important. Along with that, a company should change itself when the technology is changing, and there is a factor of luck also get involved, and the importance of the top management. The CEO should be such that he should be able to have a distant vision, मतलब दूर का सोचना चाहिए वो. Okay, and there should not be ego issues involved, and along with that you should have a, what do you say, a new young people in the board as well, so that they can identify or they can take chances. Okay, or they should not have their preconceived information that कि हाँ ये ऐसा होगा तो ये ठीक रहता है, हम लोग ने 20 साल से बिजनेस किया है, हमको पता है, ऐसे नहीं रहना चाहिए. तो ये सब देखा था. नाउ फाइनल पार्ट ऑफ दिस मॉड्यूल इज अबाउट क्रिएटिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. ठीक है, इतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. डिफिकल्ट तो कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें वैसे. आई विल गिव यू नोट्स टुडे इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल विल बी quite relevant and interesting because we are going to study business model into that. ठीक है, आई थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग इट टुडे, बट ये सैटरडे को स्टार्ट नहीं, मूड नहीं आता है. अभी तुम लोग का छोटा सा सेशन लेता हूँ, फिर कुछ कुछ करो तुम लोग हॉबीज के हिसाब से. हाँ यार, यू शुड डू समथिंग हॉबीज. मतलब मैं तो फुल कल 4 घंटा सिर्फ पेंटिंग में गया मेरा. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे तुम लोग भी हॉबीज ट्राई करो. तो ठीक है, चलो. एनीवेज, क्रिएटिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इज, first of all, creativity is what is, you know what it is. And creativity is such a thing that it decreases as your age increases. ठीक है, अभी some time back I had drawn a kind of a a structure, some geometrical structures. Okay, many lines were there, many kind of a octagon, hexagon, pentagon, और भी बहुत कुछ था उसमें. So kind of a drawing I had did, and I showed it to everyone, and so everyone were giving their reviews कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कैसे बनाया, इसको कैसे बनाया करके, something like that. And when I showed to my niece, ठीक है, she's just 3 years old, yeah, 3 years old, she saw and she told हाँ Spider-Man करके, because it looked like something like a spider web. Okay, no one thought about it, but she had that mind, she had the limited information, and she could relate that information to that design which I have made. So she told हाँ Spider-Man है करके, ठीक है, तो it looked like a web. So in when we are small, we are much more creative, and when we start developing some knowledge and some preconceived notion कि हाँ ऐसे ही होता है, ऐसे होता है, आजकल ऐसे ही चलता है, तो when we start thinking, when we start adopting, imbibing all those things, our creativity slowly starts reducing. Okay, so that creativity can again be revived, वापस ला सकते हैं उसको creativity को, and we can solve problems using that creativity. ठीक है, by saying this, first and always the first one will be our brainstorming. ठीक है, ये हर जगह फर्स्ट मिलेगा ही तुमको, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग. इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम, इफ यू वांट टू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग, इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस समथिंग, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच यू विल बी गेटिंग. क्यों? बिकॉज दिस इज द थिंग व्हिच इन व्हिच द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल आर कमिंग टुगेदर, एंड दे आर नॉट, एक सेकंड ना, कुकर की सीटी कर, the group of people are coming together and they are not criticizing anyone. सब लोग okay, everyone know what is the problem, none of them is super intelligent, all of them are on the same pace or on the same what do you say, same field. ठीक है, everyone know what the knowledge they should possess to solve that problem. सब लोग एक ही बोट में है. Okay, everyone is sailing in one boat, and everyone has the same kind of knowledge, so no one is criticizing anyone, and everyone is taking, it will be a kind of a 8 to 10 ka group rahega. Okay, everyone is putting their own ideas, structured ideas ko someone is noting it down. ठीक है, तो क्रिएटिविटी ऐसा आ जाता है, जस्ट एक दिमाग में जो भी आ रहा है ना, बस बोलते जाएंगे. Okay, so that is a brainstorming in which we can solve the problem through anyone's creativity. एक interesting thing इसमें है कि reverse brainstorming. ठीक है, in brainstorming there will be a group of people, in reverse brainstorming also there will be a group of people. In brainstorming, the group of people will be putting their ideas and are not criticizing anyone, whereas in reverse brainstorming, second वाले में, there are many ideas already. Brainstorming से ideas आ चुके हैं already. The ideas which have come, everyone has unanimously selected one or two ideas. Everyone unanimously has selected one or two ideas, and then they are criticizing on that ideas. Brainstorming में criticism नहीं था ना, reverse brainstorming में continuous criticism. ऐसे कि if I have we have decided one idea that we should start maybe a business of renting some decorative articles to houses. Okay, so whenever there is a event or something, a kind of a birthday party or maybe a small engagement function or something like that, a small function in the house, if people are coming in for anything, for any kind of function in a house, so we can rent some decorative articles, some paintings, something of that sort. We will rent them just for one night or 2 days or 3 days. ठीक है, जितना भी उनको चाहिए, we'll just rent it. Okay, so that is a kind of a plan we are building it. ठीक है, don't copy this plan. तो ऐसा कुछ प्लान हम लोग बना रहे हैं कि हम लोग कुछ रेंट करेंगे when the decoration is required to that home. तो एकदम extremely decorate करके दे देंगे हम घर पे. Okay, for 1 or 2 days. So that is a plan we are developing. Then for that plan, everyone will sit around the table and start finding out faults in that plan. Okay, how this plan will not work, when this plan will not work, why people will not rent anything from us. ठीक है, plan क्यों fail हो सकता है. ठीक है, इसको फेल करा के ही छोड़ना है प्लान को. Okay, just by discussion कि this plan should not will not work, that we are going to prove in reverse brainstorming. ठीक है. So if we are telling if the plan will not work, then what can be the solution for this? ठीक है. Why people will not take, what can be the reason, ऐसे ऐसे करके we'll try to solve that problems. ठीक है. अगर एक प्लान हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया, if that plan will not work, that the negative things which we will be pointing out in the reverse brainstorming. Brainstorming में negativity कुछ नहीं था. Reverse brainstorming, everything is negative, but we should not lose the morale, but we should find the solution. ठीक है. ऐसे करके solve कर सकते हैं. Then this is Gordon method. Gordon method is what in the first two, brainstorming और reverse brainstorming में we knew what is the problem क्या है पता था, या idea क्या है पता था. Gordon method में we don't know what is the problem. Okay, the person, again a group of maybe 8 to 10 people will be there. All those people don't know what is the problem. Okay, the person who knows the, एक बंदा रहेगा जिसको पता है problem, he will be from outside and he will tell not the problem statement, but he will tell what is the scenario or what is the concept behind the problem. For example, अगर there is a problem, okay, हाँ ठीक है, problem तुमको तो बता ही सकता हूँ. There is a problem that in Belgaum the charges of auto rickshaw for private auto rickshaws are very high. Okay, so that is a problem. But when the discussion will start, the problem will not be told to the participants. Instead, the problem will not be told to the participant. Instead, the participants will be informed, discuss about auto rickshaws in Belgaum. Okay, so the participants will have some knowledge and they'll start discussing auto rickshaw का क्या चलता है आजकल बेलगाम. So from that, we'll try to pick up any solution. They'll just start discussing. Okay, or if there are no what do you say, no there is no Pizza Hut in Belgaum. Pizza Hut तो आ गया ना. There is no Mad Over Donuts or Dunkin Donuts in Belgaum. ठीक है, ये नहीं है. तो I'll just give a topic that donuts and you will start discussing कि हाँ donuts ना कहाँ अच्छा मिलता है, कौन सा कहाँ पे जाना है. ये अभी ठीक है, अभी नहीं बता सकते, अभी लॉकडाउन है, कहीं नहीं जा सकते. लेकिन पूरा everything you'll discuss about donuts and we'll find out an idea from that. ठीक है. In Gordon method, the participants don't know what is the exact problem, but I'll just give a topic to discuss, a concept of a problem to discuss, or just about a product to discuss, so that while discussion, then we'll come up with the solution, and then might be later on I can tell what is the exact problem to the participants. Okay. Next is checklist method. Okay, this is a kind of a method which I used to do it, but I didn't knew this is a checklist method. इसको checklist बोलते हैं करके. ठीक है. In this checklist method में क्या है? In checklist method, it is I'll note down the problem. The problem क्या है? Then I'll try to figure out the solution by each and every question. For example, if this is the problem, what new things I can do? What can I copy from something? Can I do something from past? Can I modify it? Can I twist it? Can I change the color, change the odor, shape, form, size? Can I make it larger, thicker, smaller? Then miniature, lighter, कुछ भी ऐसे कुछ भी कर सकते हैं क्या उसको? ये मेरा प्रोडक्ट जो है, ठीक है. Can I change the shape, change the color, change the background, change the sequence, change the pattern, change the schedule, combine with something separate? Should I do a two separate product and one product? ऐसा करके कुछ भी, ठीक है. तो I'll just make a checklist कि इसको छोटा कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते, इसको बड़ा कर सकते हैं, इसको कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, इसका स्मेल चेंज कर सकते हैं, ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो व्हाट कैन आई डू? आई कैन मॉडिफाई, आई कैन एडिट, आई कैन स्प्लिट, आई कैन जॉइन, आई कैन whatever I can do. I'll just make a checklist of everything what I can do in that to solve a problem. ठीक है, ये एक मेथड था. Okay, then next is a free association. Free association, this is a kind of a game we used to play. Okay, इसमें कैसे problems कैसे solve होते हैं? I'll just assign a word. Okay, just for continuing with that example, that auto rickshaw rates in Belgaum are very high. Okay, so I'll just assign a word, maybe auto rickshaw. Okay, someone will tell a similar word related to that. Auto rickshaw say maybe meter. Okay, auto rickshaw meter. Okay, from that maybe auto rickshaw passenger. Okay, or it's just a passenger. फिर रोड विच ऑटो रिक्शा रन्स, फिर डबल रोड कोई बोलेगा, कोई सिंगल रोड बोलेगा, कोई ट्रैफिक सिग्नल, then taxi, then maybe you will just keep on repeating those words, and then afterwards you will try to find a pattern in that words. Okay, which are the words which are related to that, which are related, and that which can be solved, which can be मतलब, we can find a solution from that. जस्ट एक वर्ड बोलते जाते हैं. ठीक है, रोड बोला, फिर रोड के बाद में मे बी डबल रोड, सिंगल रोड, मे बी रेलवेज बोल दिया किसी ने, फिर ट्रेन बोल दिया, ट्रेन बोल के फिर पैसेंजर बोल दिया, पैसेंजर, फिर पैसेंजर का मूवी में चले गए, फिर ऐसे करके यू गो समवेयर एल्स एंड देन यू कम बैक एंड यू जस्ट कीप ऑन पुटिंग द रेलेवेंट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वर्ड ऑटो रिक्शा. यहाँ से जो भी रिलेटेड है उसके बारे में. ठीक है, येलो एंड ब्लैक. ठीक है, द कलर ऑफ ऑटो रिक्शा, 3 टायर्स. Okay, rubber. Okay, anything like that. So you can just keep on assigning some words to my original word, which was auto rickshaw, and then we can come up with a certain pattern to solve any problem. Okay, something like that. Then next is forced relationships. ये थोड़ा अजीब सा है. Forced relationships is what I'll just the problem is the rates of auto rickshaw in Belgaum are very high. That is my problem. I'll just pick on the elements and I'll separate it. Say auto rickshaw, I'll I'll pick out and I'll put it maybe write in a paper. Then rates, I'll write it in a paper. In Belgaum, I'll write it in a paper. Very high, I'll write it in a paper, and then I'll try to find which are the most relevant elements which are they have relationship. ठीक है, रेट्स और हाई होने के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है, बेलगाम में ही ऑटो होने का क्या रिलेशनशिप है. ठीक है, ऐसे करके आई जस्ट फाइंड आउट द रिलेशनशिप एंड देन आई विल ट्राई टू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन. ठीक है, आई टोल्ड यू थोड़ा अजीब सा है, फोर्स्ड रिलेशनशिप्स. Okay, then maybe another example can be manufacturing units are not there in India. मतलब maybe specific to some specific manufacturing industry, or the airline manufacturing industry is not present in India. Something like that. So airline coil separated, manufacturing coil separated, then India coil separated. I'll separate it and try to find which relates to what very well. इंडिया और एयरलाइन का रिलेशनशिप क्या है, या फिर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और इंडिया का क्या रिलेशनशिप है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई ट्राई टू फाइंड द रिलेशनशिप. ठीक है, देन एक और है कलेक्टिव नोटबुक मेथड. ठीक है, आई यूज इट, आई एम यूजिंग इट नाउ डेज. कलेक्टिव नोटबुक मेथड क्या है? ठीक है, नोटबुक तो नहीं यूज करता मैं, आई यूज माई सेल फोन. ठीक है, व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग आई टेल यू. So suppose I want to do some maybe something, some sketch or some drawing or something. I want to do a kind of a calligraphy or do with my lights. कुछ lights को ऐसे लगाना है वैसे लगाना है, something like that. I want to do, and there are many options for me. Okay, बहुत कुछ है, sketching भी है, drawing भी है, painting भी है, ये भी है, cardboards भी है, thermocols भी है, everything. So I have too many options and I don't know what to do exactly, but I want to do something. So I just go through internet and Google, and then I watch some TV, some series. कुछ न कुछ करके एक मेरे को idea आ जाता है. Okay, there is something which I can do. Then I'll suppose in a TV serial, I have seen a kind of a showpiece where M is written. Okay, that M, the light is coming from that M, and that M is a kind of a wooden decoration piece, and light is inbuilt into that. ओके, सो आई गेट एन आइडिया कि हाँ ऐसे कुछ बनाता हूँ. ओके, सो M है तो मैं F बनाता हूँ. तो I start thinking कि how can I make that F, what can I use? Like, can I use thermocol? Can I use cardboard? Because I am not a carpenter to make it in a form of wood. So how can I do that? So I'll just sit and I'll just think कि क्या कर सकते हैं करके. Okay, then immediately I'll not get an idea. So I'll just note down कि हाँ ऐसे कुछ करना है मेरे को. F के shape में something I want to make it. Then through the entire day कुछ और भी करेंगे. I went outside. I took class for you. I'll explain you something. Then I read some books to explain you about the concepts. And while doing all that thing, I'll get in some another idea कि हाँ इसको थर्मोकोल से कर सकते हैं. Okay, I'll write it down कि हाँ थर्मोकोल से करेंगे. But कैसे करेंगे, how to cut thermocol in the best way और ऐसे करके. Then I'll again search something like that. Then I'll come to know, okay, if the knife is hot, the thermocol will be, I can cut the thermocol in a particular way and it will not be messy. तो ओके फाइन. तो नाइफ चाहिए, हॉट नाइफ चाहिए तो कैंडल लगेगा. फिर देन आई थिंक व्हाट कैन बी द शेप, देन हाउ टू लाइट्स. सो आई कीप ऑन थिंकिंग लाइक दैट. So it is taking me 5 or 6 days to exactly structure my idea. And when I get an idea, I keep on writing it in my cell phone कि हाँ अभी ऐसे कर सकते हैं, हाँ अभी ऐसे कर सकते हैं. So in collective notebook method, exactly the same thing is done. If you have a problem with you, okay, that problem cannot be solved immediately. If that's the case, if it cannot be solved immediately, then you keep on thinking about that problem. And whenever you get a kind of a solution, not a solution, an option to solve that problem, you just note down in your notebook, or I do it in my cell phone. You carry in collective notebook method, exactly, you carry a notebook, a small size, which can be inserted in your pocket, and there is a problem written in that book, and there are blank pages. So on every page, maybe every day you will write one solution for that problem. Okay, that solution can be useful or it can be waste, but you just write every day one solution कि हाँ इसको ऐसे करना चाहिए. How, this is how we can solve this. So after a week or after a month, okay, I'll have too many solutions for just one problem. Okay, then I'll just go through at the end of the month which can be implemented, or which can be a probable good solution for that. And this can be done with a group of friends also. So everyone will be having one problem, will be given one problem, and everyone is writing one solution every day. Okay, so 5 or 6 people are writing a solution every day. So after maybe 1 week, if they meet and they discuss what is the solution they have written throughout the week, then we can find a creative wala solution. Okay, चलो अभी ये लास्ट नहीं, सेकंड लास्ट है शायद, नहीं थर्ड लास्ट है. एट्रीब्यूट टेस्टिंग. ठीक है. Attribute testing is just what do you say, it's a technique that मतलब ये भी ऐसे ही है. अनरिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स का मतलब कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन लेके आ सकते हैं जैसे क्या, या अगेन auto rickshaw ka rates are very high in Belgium, so that is the problem. So in attribute, I'll just pick out some unrelated things like maybe passengers, or maybe a taxi, or maybe railways, maybe airlines. ठीक है, फ्लाइट्स, ये सब ऐसे कुछ करके I'll just pick out some attributes, okay, which are unrelated to that, and I'll try to form a combination, connect to my problem. A new combination can be made, or using those combination, a new product can be made. ऐसे कुछ करके I'll just try to find out a solution. ठीक है, not that very much useful attribute listing. ठीक है, second last है a big dream approach. Okay, big dream approach मतलब if you have a smaller problem, okay, when you're finding a solution, you need to see the problem holistically, बहुत ऊपर से देखोगे. Okay, if you're trying to maybe bake a cake in oven. Okay, oven में तुम लोग केक बना रहे हो, so your cake is getting burnt every time. So you're constantly checking what is the problem with the ingredients, why the cake is getting yeah, and what is the perfect temperature, whether I should preheat or what is the problem exactly, why the cake is doing all these things, cake is getting burnt, क्यों हो रहा है करके. Then in this, in big dream approach, when you're solving a problem, something like that, you need to check it holistically. What are the ingredients, what is the ingredients which you are putting, whether they are मतलब expiry hai unka, what is the expiry date, whether I'm doing it in a right way, whether the mixing has been right. You need to go back. वो बर्न क्यों हो रहा है करके ओवन चेक कर रहे हैं, इंग्रेडिएंट चेक कर रहे हैं, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You need to go back and see. Or else, one more example, if you are opening up a bakery shop itself, okay, and people are not coming in, so you'll just check what is the problem, why people are not coming, what is the quality of the cake or ऐसा सब ये सब check कर रहे ना. When you see it from a big dream, if suppose I make a bakery shop in which the entire Belgaum is coming in, so what can be the solution for that or something like that. तो ऊपर से एक holistic view से बड़ा uh, to imagine your business is expanding in बहुत बड़ा सा, ये छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है बट बहुत बड़ा सा, इफ आई एम इमेजिनिंग देन आई मे गेट ए सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट. ठीक है. ये लास्ट वन है पैरामीटर एनालिसिस. पैरामीटर एनालिसिस इज वेरी statistical way to do that. ठीक है. In that I'll check on what are the parameters which are generating the problem first of all. ठीक है. The auto rickshaw rates are again high in Belgaum. So what are the parameters which are making it high? Okay, because of distance, because of traffic, because of auto drivers, because of lot of autos in the on the roads, बहुत सारे हैं, या फिर there are less public transports. Okay, so what are the parameters responsible for this problem? So first I'll find out what are the parameters, sub B parameters, whether the road condition, whether the distance of the roads, or what is the basic parameters which is responsible for that problem. Then which is the relevant parameters, जो कौन से important है, which if I can change that parameters, I'll able to solve the problem. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, I have told you about Pareto's analysis. PARETO, Pareto, P for parrot. ठीक है. Pareto's analysis, इसमें 80-20 rule था. 80-20 rule is that 80% of the problems, okay, of anything, of any company, of any person, 80% of the problems are caused because of 20% of the activities. Okay, 80% of the problems are caused just because of 20% of the activities, and the remaining 20% of the problems are caused because of 80% of the activities. So I'll try to concentrate on only 20% of the activities which are creating 80% of the problems. Okay, Pizza Hut has conducted one survey in that they asked the customers why you are unhappy. Okay, if you are unhappy, why you are unhappy, okay, with our delivery or whatever it is. So a few customers told that your pizza, the taste of the pizza is not good. Few customers told that the toppings is not good. Few customers told that the what do you say, the pizza is getting delivered late. So ऐसे करके they had written many such complaints. So when Pizza Hut took sorry, Domino's था, हाँ, Domino's का था. When Domino's took those complaints and they analyzed, while analysis they found out that maximum of the complaints एक ही है कि the pizza is getting cold. Maximum complaints वही है. Toppings के there are a few complaints, maybe 2 or 3 complaints were regarding toppings. 2 or 3% complaints were regarding toppings. The taste of pizza is not good was just 5 or 6% of the people told the taste of pizza is not good. But majority, okay, in that case, more than 80% of the people told that the pizza is getting cold when it is delivered to us. So we need to heat it again. तो ये कंप्लेंट सबसे ज्यादा थे. Maximum customers gave only one complaint, which was very much common: the pizza is delivering late, or the pizza is getting cold. ये दो प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा थे. And this was comprising of the 80% problem. सिर्फ दो ही प्रॉब्लम है, ये दो ही एक्टिविटी है, डिलीवरी ऑफ पिज्जा, ठीक है, एंड द पिज्जा इज गेटिंग कोल्ड. and the delivery is getting late. ये दो ही प्रॉब्लम थे, बट ये 80% ऑफ द कस्टमर्स का प्रॉब्लम था. So that's the reason Domino's came up with an idea that we will deliver you pizza immediately, मतलब within 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes में हम लोग deliver कर देंगे. So maximum of the problems were solved only by one or two actions. So that is what Pareto analysis. 80% of the problems can be solved by one or two activities, because 80% of the problems were getting generated because of one or two activities. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे ज़्यादा concentrate करेंगे. So in that was the actually a parameter analysis done by Domino's. कि वो कौन से parameters है, because of those parameters my pizza my customers are not getting the good quality or whatever the pizza they require, their expectation is not getting met. तो ये नहीं हो रहा था. ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा था? तो I सभी पैरामीटर्स को लिस्ट किया, देन आई ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम एंड व्हाई द प्रॉब्लम इज हैपनिंग. So I can use a solution. So that is a kind of a parameter analysis. तो ये था the creative problem solving method. तो after this कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो ये खत्म हो गया. And your module also got completed, first one. ठीक है, तो क्या करें? I'll just go through. Okay, hang हो गया. Okay, I'll just go through the session, and from Monday, if my lecture is there, or Tuesday, we'll start with the second module. Okay, okay, great. Okay, my PPT is not working properly. अच्छा, any doubts? कुछ पूछना है? Okay, तो मैं कुछ बता देता हूँ बस कि just do some activity or do your hobby. Okay, if someone is interested in doing any art, craft, cooking, I don't know, maybe washing, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं ना, ये सब करते रहो, and do share on that everything on that Instagram. ठीक है, I like it. मैं उसमें thumbs up देता हूँ, तुमको like देता हूँ. Okay, so anything. Okay, so happy weekend everyone. चलो then, we'll log off. No doubts.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Purnima. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Rohan.